Quest for the Dark Matter Detection. Title: Quest for the Dark Matter Detection. Introduction, 100 words. The search for dark matter, the elusive substance that makes up a significant portion of our universe, has been one of the most tantalizing quests in modern physics. Dark matter, although invisible, plays a crucial role in the formation of galaxies and the overall structure of the universe. Scientists have long been on the hunt for concrete evidence of its existence through various experimental methods. Understanding dark matter, 200 words. Dark matter is an enigmatic form of matter that does not interact with light or any other electromagnetic radiation. Its existence is inferred from its gravitational effects on visible matter. According to current estimates, dark matter constitutes around 27% of the universe's mass and energy, while the ordinary matter that makes up everything we see comprises a mere 5%. However, despite decades of research, dark matter remains virtually undetectable through direct observation. Indirect detection methods, 300 words. Scientists have primarily relied on indirect methods to search for dark matter particles. Direct detection methods, 400 words. In recent years, scientists have made tremendous progress in the development of direct detection methods to directly observe dark matter particles. These efforts involve creating highly sensitive detectors that are capable of detecting rare interactions between dark matter and ordinary matter. The most common direct detection technique is based on the assumption that dark matter particles, known as WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, can collide with atomic nuclei. These collisions should produce a small but measurable signal, such as the release of energy or the generation of light. Highly sensitive detectors, often made of low-temperature crystalline materials, are used to capture and record these signals. Promising detection technologies, 400 words. Various technologies are being employed in the quest for dark matter detection. Cryogenic detectors, which operate at extremely cold temperatures, have shown promise in distinguishing potential dark matter signals from background noise. Superconducting quantum interference devices, SQUIDs, are another focus of research, as they can amplify the signals produced by dark matter interactions. Notable experiments, 300 words. Several experiments have made significant contributions to the quest for dark matter detection. The Cryogenic Dark Matter Search (CDMS) experiment, operating deep underground, has been at the forefront of the search for WIMPs using cryogenic technology. The Xenon experiment, utilizing liquid xenon detectors, has set stringent constraints on dark matter particles. The Large Underground Xenon (LUX) experiment, DarkSide, and Deep/Clean are also notable players in the field, constantly pushing the boundaries of sensitivity and detection techniques. Challenges and future prospects, 200 words. Despite the impressive advancements in dark matter detection, the search for conclusive evidence remains challenging. Dark matter is notoriously elusive and interactions with ordinary matter are incredibly rare. Furthermore, the precise nature of dark matter particles is still unknown, making it difficult to develop targeted detection strategies. Future experiments and technologies aim to further enhance detection sensitivity and explore alternative detection methods. The Dark Sector at SNALab, 300 words. SNALab, located in Sudbury, Ontario, is a world-leading underground laboratory dedicated to the study of astroparticle physics. The laboratory houses various experiments focused on the detection of dark matter, including the Deep 3600 experiment and the PICO 60 experiment. The Deep 3600, Dark matter experiment using argon pulse shape discrimination. Experiment utilizes a large and ultrapure liquid argon detector to capture potential dark matter interactions. The detect tour consists of a spherical vessel filled with 3.6 tons of liquid argon, surrounded by sensitive photomultiplier tubes that detect the faint light produced by particle interactions. When a dark matter particle collides with the atoms in the chamber, it deposits energy that triggers the formation of tiny bubbles. The bubbles are then detected and analyzed to identify the presence of dark matter interactions. Both the Deep 3600 and Pico 60 experiments are providing valuable data in the search for dark matter and continue to push the boundaries of detection techniques. In addition to SNALab, other underground laboratories around the world are also contributing to the quest for dark matter detection. These include the Gran Sasso National Laboratory in Italy, the CAM Ioka Observatory in Japan, and the Jinping Underground Laboratory in China. These underground facilities provide the ideal environment for conducting low background experiments, reducing the interference from cosmic rays and other extraneous signals. As the field of dark matter detection progresses, collaborations between different experiments and laboratories become crucial. Scientists from various institutions pool their expertise, data, and resources to strengthen the search for dark matter. The Journey to Unveiling Dark Matter, 300 words. The exploration of dark matter has been an ongoing mission to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. This invisible substance has fascinated scientists for decades due to its enigmatic nature and its essential role in shaping the universe. Dark matter is estimated to account for approximately 27% of the total mass and energy in the universe, yet it remains undetectable through conventional means. To bridge this gap, scientists have employed both indirect and direct detection methods in their quest for dark matter. Indirect detection methods involve studying the effects of dark matter on visible matter or observing anomalies in cosmic phenomena. One example is the study of gravitational lensing, which involves examining the bending of light around massive objects like galaxies. By analyzing these distortions, scientists can infer the presence of dark matter. Direct detection methods, on the other hand, involve designing experiments to directly observe interactions between dark matter and ordinary matter. These experiments often employ highly sensitive detectors, shielded from background radiation, to detect the faint signals produced by dark matter interactions. Several promising technologies, such as cryogenic detectors and superconducting quantum interference devices, SQUIDs, have shown great potential in improving detection sensitivity. Notable experiments, such as the Cryogenic Dark Matter Search (CDMS) and the Xenon experiment, have played pivotal roles in advancing our understanding of dark matter. The Xenon experiment, on the other hand, has set stringent constraints on dark matter particles by utilizing liquid xenon detectors. Nevertheless, numerous challenges still prevail in the hunt for dark matter. The rarity of dark matter interactions, combined with the unknown properties of dark matter particles, poses significant difficulties in detection. The importance of international collaboration, 300 words. The search for dark matter is a global scientific endeavor that requires collaboration between researchers and institutions worldwide. International collaboration in the field of dark matter detection has become increasingly crucial as experiments become larger and more sophisticated, requiring significant resources and expertise. One of the primary benefits of international collaboration is the sharing of data and knowledge. Scientists from different countries and institutions bring unique perspectives and approaches to the table, contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of dark matter. By pooling their resources and data, researchers can analyze a larger dataset, increasing the statistical significance of the